Metadata Utility add lookup records. Metadata Utility offers a lookup usage tool that enables users to view the current usage of the different drop-down menu lists. To add new records from the main switchboard, click on Maintenance Switchboard, followed by clicking on Lookup Maintenance Switchboard, followed by clicking on Add New Lookup Records. This will open up the Look at Add Records window. Proceed with selecting the number of records that wish to be added, followed by clicking on the Add button. Metadata Utility will prompt with a message indicating to the user the number of records that have been selected to be added. Select Yes to continue. Worth noting, once that lookup records have been added, they cannot be deleted. Upon clicking on Yes, Metadata Utility will then add those selected number of records and confirm to the user once that those records have been added. To review the newly added records, simply launch the lookup usage interface in Metadata Utility to view the new listed available records. For any questions with regard to this functionality and or any other questions with regard of the major built-in features and functionalities in Metadata Utility, we welcome our users to click on any of the other available videos that we have on those topics, as well as to visit our website where we have detailed instructions step by step on each of the major capabilities and functionalities, features that have been built and integrated in a Metadata Utility to enable users to manage their entire Windows Media Center movie library, movie information, also known as a metadata information, at our website at metadatautility.com. We thank you for watching.